Hello everyone, it's good to be back on yet another unboxing video. So on this video today I'll be unboxing a new smartphone. It's not new per se, it's been around for a while now. The device I'm talking about here is the LG Q51. So I bought this device from AliExpress a month ago. So I want to unbox the video with you guys and see what this device has to offer. So without further delay, let's go into the video. So this device is the LG Q51. So I bought this device some like 3 weeks back from AliExpress, like I said earlier. And it is how it came to me, so I have to go ahead and unpack this item to know exactly if they actually put the item for me or not. So stay tuned while I unwrap. Stay tuned while I unwrap the content. Let's see. There's so many tapes on this. I don't know, like they did it to protect it from any water spillage or anything. This is some serious packing, guys. Okay, so I didn't order this device with the box, that's why it came like this. Some charging adapter here and Type-C USB cable. So let me go ahead and open this tape to see the device. I'm nervous about this. I'm excited about this. So many tapes. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, it came with a SIM ejector tool. Wow. This looks neat. Well, let me go ahead and remove this leather here to see the phone, so I will get a clear view of the phone. It looks good from the leather though, but wow. Well, look at the back. Since this is made out of glass, guys. The back is made out of glass with aluminum frame, I think. Wow, I must say, like, when I ordered this device, I wasn't expecting it to actually look this solid and feel this solid. It feels really solid in the hand. Keep that aside, and yes, this is the LG fast charging head and the Type-C USB cable. As you can see, it's Type-C. This which is a good thing, because phones without Type-C these days is kind of a walk for me. So that's it. Okay, let me go ahead and peel off this leather on the face. It's very tough. So this is Type-C, USB Type-C port, and the speaker and the microphone if you look well. And on the back, this is made out of glass with 3 cameras with 3 cameras in a horizontal, with 3 cameras in a vertical shape. Horizontal shape, yeah. And go ahead and on the phone. First, let me peel this off. Wow, look at this, look at the screen. It looks pretty okay for a device that costs around $90. Wow. Well, the bezels on this phone is pretty much big, but the display is quite okay. I must say this is the first time I'm using an LG smartphone, an LG OS operating system. So well, I must say this is not so bad because this phone comes with it came with the Android version 9 pre-installed, but there's going to be an update to Android version 11, which is a very good thing. I mean, LG, despite the fact that they're out of work, but they've done a good job to ensure that their current devices have at least Android 11 on them. So this is Android version 9 it came with. You see the fingerprint scanner at the back. The back reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy S10 series due to the camera arrangement. It says the charging port, the speaker, the microphone, and the 3.5 f4mm jack. Well, for a device with 3 gig RAM and 32 gig ROM, I think this is pretty fast, for 3 gig RAM. And the processor on this phone actually is the old Helio P22. But I must say Helio P22 feels a bit fast and smooth on this phone compared to it on other phones like the Tecno and Infinix. Though it being an old processor, it performs quite well. You see, here's the camera. Let me take a look at the camera. Well, I must say this is very decent. It takes decent pictures. I haven't tested it outdoors, but I'm going to do so, and I'm going to show you the picture. So this is the storage. The OS on this phone, it consumes a lot of space. I mean, out of the 32 gig here, the operating system and everything consumes about 8 gigs, which is pretty much. And the battery is 4000 milliampere. Man, I use this phone for a few days and the battery is very, very strong. Though it doesn't support fast charging, but it charges real quick. Like from 0 to 100, it takes 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100, which is not very, very slow for a mid-ranger like this. So that's it. That's the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, you might want to like the video and click on the subscribe button. And make sure you click on the bell icon to be notified when I post another video. So thank you. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.